All right, Spencer Brandt talking today about historically dangerous cannabis and or hemp pesticides. Today we're going to talk about two. I feel like these are the two fan favorites of hatred, and that is correct. If you do not like these products on cannabis, you are thinking correctly. You should not put this stuff on cannabis. You shouldn't. Okay, let's talk about it. First off, Avid 0.15 EC insecticide. It is part of the Insecticide Resistance Action Committee. It is a Group 6. Its active ingredient name is abamectin. Common product names are Aba Ultra, Agrimec, Epimec, so on. So many, it is cray. I know, see how I'm like helping kids and stuff? So I have a presentation on resistance of mites to abamectin. If you have more questions about products that are abamectin based or avid like, which is abamectin based, all the same thing, hit me up if you got more questions. Let's move on to the next one. All right, Eagle 20 EW fungicide. Ooh, scary. It is actually really scary. We'll get into that. Fungicide Resistance Action Committee Group 3. So you see that one starts with an F. So that is FRAC, F-R-A-C, Group 3. That is different from the insecticide, like the other one we were looking at, Avid. So they're two separate classifications or categories of pesticides, all right? The active ingredient name is myclobutanil. And the next one, the similar products are going to be Rally, Acceleron, Sonoma, Disarm, Gravex, Laredo, Relics, Spera, and Stride. If you are a non-cannabis grower, I'm not messing around. If you grow cannabis, do not use metal, but METTLE. It's by Gowan. It's like the Generation 3 powdery mildew control. If you're using products like Rally and you're not gaining efficiency, but you're using class 3, time to gear up and use a new class 3. I take a look at metal. They give me no money, by the way. I just want to let that be known. Why use Eagle 20? Why would a cannabis grower use Eagle 20? Fungicides control diseases. Cannabis or hemp can get diseases such as powdery mildew and bud rot, all right? The problem with Eagle 20 is it works really well. Growers may have adopted this. I blacked this out because I'm not going to say, but think of something that's really bad and dangerous are importing even more dangerous products. You can see it on the news. So here's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to do no more Eagle 20 on the weed ever again. Today is a service announcement that the public didn't ask nor pay for, but I'm going to go ahead and make the service announcement. I am an expert in this, kinda like on a really smart university level. I'm not like that. I'm not like a high power thinker like that. I'm just like a field person. No more Eagle 20 on the weed. No more Eagle 20 on the weed. Okay? No more. All right? Myclobutanol is an important fungicide. We do not need to ban myclobutanol, but you can't put it on weed. We just need to keep it off the weed, please. Desperate growers spray this product late, and that's really bad. So they spray it on late. They don't put it on early as a preventative. They put it on late to clean stuff up because they are bad at growing. It becomes very dangerous when lit in fire. Let's go. We're going to go over 6 SDS sheets. SDS sheets are labels that are attached to pesticide labels. They are called safety data sheets. They used to be called MSDS, material safety data sheets. That name wasn't efficient. They changed it back to SDS, safety data sheets. All right. First, section number 4, first aid and measures. Move person to fresh air if this product is inhaled. So first aid and measures, if it's inhaled, move to fresh air. If person is not breathing, read that on your own time, pause the video. Inhalation issues. Next, we're going to talk about all the products in it. This is all the products that make up that product, Eagle 20. All these products are very rough. Very rough. You do not want to inhale them. All right. Next, notes to physician. They put physician notes in regards to inhalation. All right. Read that. Pause the video. Read it. No specific antidote. Ugh. All right. Section 7, handling and storage. Do not breathe vapors or dust. Do not smoke. All this stuff about breathing. Don't breathe this stuff in. All right. It talks about rats, inhalation toxicity, very low, 9 milligrams, right? It would take 100 milligrams to make a gram. So 1/10 of a blunt, dog, is what it takes of that stuff and product to kill in liters to kill a rat. That's really bad. That's bad. You should recognize that as bad. Pattern that as bad, okay? Next, hazard combustion. This is where we're putting science in, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I bring. We're going to talk about the science of it. Hazard combustion products. Hazard combustion products. Combustion products may include and are not limited to nitrogen oxides. Don't do that. Hydrogen chlorine gas, very, very bad. All right, and carbon oxides also very tremendously bad. It says it right there on the SDS sheets. I didn't make this up. It's just there. How to learn about pesticides. You're going to use agran.com. So if you work in cannabis and you work somewhere, go on Agran, agran.com, type the pesticide in. It'll have an EPA registration number. Type in the products you see at work, ask me questions. All right, read labels and lay off the AI. No more AI. We're not going to put Eagle on the weed. We're not going to put Avid on the weed. And we're going to not use AI to learn. All right? You don't use AI to learn. You use it to reference check. No more learning with AI. You're done. Y'all are done with the AI. Spencer Bray, I'm out.